Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing something along the lines of this, but I think I'm going to reverse it and have like the dark on 3 and the light on 2 because I really like this dark colour. And these are the two colours that I'm going to be using. I am also going to be doing a gel overlay, like infill on these. And these are the two colours. They're both by Nails Ink actually, and I don't know what actual colours they are. But I'm just going to let you guys see what I can see. And oh, that one's whatever that says. And that's probably powered by Match. I don't know. Like, whatever. That's what we're using. I'm going to be using, if I can find it. Where have I put it? Oh, my days. This is not good. I'm in such a rush. Where's my gel gone? So I'm going to be using my Mia Secret Clear Builder Gel. And so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to just take away all the shine from my natural nails using my nail file drill thing, and I'm going to show you guys as we go along. I have pushed the cuticles back and we're ready to go. So I am in a little bit of a rush now. When am I ever not in a rush? I literally just don't have time for life. Yeah. I don't know if this is something you guys would be interested in seeing, like this part, but because I'm doing my own nails, I am going to leave it in. I've also only got the 4 fingers to do because I had to redo the thumb about a week ago because it had like all chipped and was coming off. And my nails are really, really stained. Just from like hair colouring and all that jazz. Whew! I put the heating on earlier. And now I am sweating. Why did I do this? Why? You can probably hear my little bubby clip-clopping in the background. She's a little cutie pie. She's so freaking cute. Dusty brush, there you are. I'm then going to go in. I am actually going to use the Mia Secret. Do you know what? I've got a feeling not the Mia Secret, the Nair Nails one. I bet I did use the Mia Secret one last time, and that might be why. I literally had no lifting at all. They've lasted so well. This is the first time that really I've used gel instead of acrylic. And personally, I found it to last really well. So I've dehydrated and I'm going to prime twice. But yeah, now I think about it, I bet, because I'm using Mia Secret products, I bet I did use a Mia Secret primer, and that could be why. So we'll see. I'll see if these last as well. But who knows. And hopefully that'll be alright where it is. Pop them over there. I am going to use a little decal as well. I don't know if you can see it on there. I've just got a little black kitty cat decal. Super cute. So, let's do this. Now, because I'm in a rush, it's probably all going to go horribly wrong, and I'm really sorry if you can't see or if it's not in focus. I'm going to do my best. Literally all I do when I'm doing this, because it's just an infill, I literally just swipe it on. Make sure that it's all covered. I am going to be going in and filing them so they're a little bit shorter. And also to a bit of a point as well. And as I'm sure obviously you noticed, we are just using nail varnish in this video. So I have to be able to take the nail varnish off for work, so that is why. Yeah, so these are going to be on for like, I'll be taking them off tomorrow. Yeah. It's quite sad, but I love my job, so it's fine. think I need a little bit more there because it's... So this is really, really quick. I suppose it is quicker than acrylic because you don't have like drying time. Like I'm doing, obviously, as you can see here, all these 4 in one go. Actually, I should be careful that it's not running into my cuticle. So what I'm going to do now is just hold them upside down a little bit to try and level them out, and then I'm going to pop them in the Cura in the lamp. But see how quick that was? Like I said, there's no apex or anything on these because they're pretty short, so I am actually going to make them a little bit shorter as well. So there is no apex, and yeah, it's pretty quick and easy to do. So I'm now just filing over it all. This again is a really quick process because it's already like pretty, then there's not loads of filing involved basically. Like you can see, like that was really nice and quick and easy. So this is my first Halloweeny set of the year. And they're not that Halloweeny really, are they? But bit of fun. Bit of fun. I am going to file this because I didn't bother filing it. I literally just did it and then left it. It's always slightly different when it comes to doing the thumb because it's a different angle and it's just strange. I am going to do the shaping off camera just because I don't want this video to be super long. I just filmed a Halloween set and I think the video was like half an hour long, so I'm gonna do that off camera. Right, so that is them all filed. Now, I am going to do this slightly different to the other hand, and I've decided I'm just going to do this nail in this colour here. And I'm going to do all the rest in the red, the like dark kind of red colour. I just really like that colour. This is really nice as well, but I'm going for a bit of a vampy look, so that's the plan. Sorry about the clippy clopping. That's just one of my puppies running about on the hardwood floor. I have popped the decal in some water, so it should be ready. These are the decals that I'm using, by the way. I don't have a clue where I got these from, so I'm really sorry about that. Rubbish, but... Yeah, I'm filming, babe. Yeah, I'm filming though.
Let me turn back on, it's freezing.
Okay.
Where is it?
It's upstairs. Wow, he is so annoying. Obviously doesn't understand the term I'm filming. This is such a nice colour. I'm going to see if I can find a lipstick to match this, because I love it. And the thumb. Right, I'm going to put them under the lamp because I find that helps them to cure, and then I'm going to go back in with another coat. Alright guys, so I'm now going to go in with this cat. I'm literally just going to place it and hope that it's in the right place. Oh my god. Oh my god, I've just been leaning that on the flipping towel as well. Oh, okay, that'll do. Wow, I did it. I did it. Okay, I'm then going to go in with this. Now, as you see on that one, I did that. I don't think I need to do that on this one because I've got a lot of the darker colour. So I'm just going to go in with this top coat now. And I'm only going to go on that nail. Just because, like I said, I'm in a bit of a rush. And they are coming off tomorrow, so I'm not that concerned about it. But obviously, you guys, if you are doing this at home, I'm sure that you guys will want to do all your nails with a nice shiny top coat. Woo, okay. I think because the nail varnish underneath, I'll just show you. I don't know if you're even going to be able to see it. It looks fine. But because of the nail varnish underneath, it's kind of gone a little bit crinkly where I've pressed it onto the nail varnish. Obviously, if your nail varnish underneath was dry, it wouldn't do that. But who's got time to wait for the nail varnish to dry? So this is the end result. This is the other hand. Let me know which hand you like best and let me know what you think. Just a top tip, I like to use this Avon Nail Experts Liquid Freeze Quick Dry Spray. I do find it helps it to dry. I mean, I'll need to like not touch anything for like an hour, but yeah. And the good thing about this is I can literally just take this off with nail varnish the next day and it's not going to be an issue, so fun times. So this is the end result, you guys. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you loads. Bye.